Today's our topic is germination of pollen grains and ovule. First of all, we'll discuss about germination of pollen grains.
After pollen grains landed on the stigma of the stimulant species, pollen grains stimulated by the sugar solution on the stigma and germinate to form pollen tubes. The pollen tubes secrete enzymes to digest the tissues of the style. The pollen tube secretes enzymes.
Well, it's time to discuss ovule.
Now pollen tube grows them the style and then into the ovary, carrying the megametes towards the ovule. The ovule grows through the microbial and releases the male gametes into the ovule. Finally, the male gametes fuse with the female gametes, forming a zygote. This process is called fertilization. The process is called.
If you are excited about the videos like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like a video, it takes just a second. Thank you for the watching Tiny Thinkers till the next video.